As most of you may know, Metro's regional connector opened on Friday, June 16th, and here's my honest opinion on the new 3 stations and the regional connector itself. If you don't know what the regional connector is, the regional connector is a project Metro has been working on for about 10 years now. It splits the L line Gold into 2, the northern half becoming part of the A line and the southern half becoming part of the Expo line. You could go from Santa Monica to Azusa with ease. While the L Gold line would be split into half, meaning that the Gold line would cease to exist, the Expo line, which is usually the light blue color, would inherit the Gold line's gold color. So here's my honest opinions and my ratings of the stations. The commute starts at Sierra Madre Station. All rides are free on the weekend of the opening, by the way.
Union Station in downtown LA. Connect here with the Metro B and E lines downstairs to your right. The J line, LAX Flyway, Megabus, and Benson's bus line downstairs to your left. Exit here for Japanese American National Museum. This is a Metro A line train.
The platform was crowded with people taking pictures. There were tons of ambassadors too. These little green guys were everywhere. The exterior design of the station is really nice and modern, and I think it looks pretty good. There was a little area set up outside where you could get some maps and also a little bag. Trains ran pretty frequently. Little Tokyo Station was pretty nice and I really enjoyed it. I'd say it's gotta be my second favorite.
Now arriving, historic Broadway Station at 2nd and Broadway. Exit here for Grand Central Market.
The station was huge, and it had this really nice mural. Another thing I really like about the station is that they put some historical facts up here. Now onto the Bunker Hill station. The exterior probably had to be my favorite out of all these stations. It had a little balcony on it and it was really cool. We got into the little balcony and it was pretty cool because you got a nice view of the Disney concert hall and a nice view of Kajiko, California, Costco, Castle.
Kosciuszka.
Also got a view of that weird ass LA architecture. long will it take for the stations to be crowded with the homeless and smell like absolute dog shit? Well, let's take a look at the B&D lines. These are the sketchiest lines in the Metro LA system. They've been open for 30 years. To get to the state they are now, it's taken 30 years. These stations barely opened up a day ago as of recording this. I mean, the stations have been open for decades and they've been exposed to the elements for decades to get to the point of where they are today. But with the homeless population in California, chances are these stations might fill up quickly with homeless people, especially since these stations are ginormous. In all honesty, I think the regional connector and the 2 stations are fucking awesome. For more Metro news, go to metro.net if you want to find out more about the regional connector. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I could do some more videos like this in the future. Bye bye.